Where in the California can you see like this?
The national parks? What kind of question is that?
No, not even Yosemite National Park.
Sequoia.
No. Sequoia trees are much bigger, humongous.
Exactly, it's better.
What?
Bigger's better.
What else? That's it.
No.
Joshua tree ain't gonna compare. No, Joshua tree is like that.
Wait, where is it? What's another
Little,
place
what
again?
is it? Cactus.
Yosemite's just better then. It's just prettier. Look at that. He looks like a dwarf.
The man who plays in the Hobbit.
Dad.
Yes.
There was, in 6th grade camp, I don't know where we went, but we went somewhere, and it was like this, but more hiking areas. It's a nice stream, creek, whatever.
It is. Now that's not a river, okay? That's a
creek.
creek, yes.
Sounds refreshing.
That's why I took you here.
For what? I know what water sounds like.
See, you haven't forgotten the heat.
What?
See, look at you. See, that's what I.
No, I'm still sweaty and sticky.
Oh, okay.
Elk.
Oh no! He's a humongous hound. That sapsucker. Oh, you know already. You remember that the Rocky Mountain? That's a moose.
That's
not an elk. That's a moose. And that grandma wants to touch. Oh my God! That moose would kick her. Oh my goodness! She would be like, field goal. No, you don't back up on a small ledge bridge.
Dad, that sounds disgusting. Stop farting.
Yeah, this one. Should have parked right there.
Mountain lion. Just kidding. Mountain lion here. Dad, what kind of animals are here?
That could be a mountain lion, huh? No kidding. I mean, like you said, the deer, elk, possibly moose,
squirrels,
black bear, squirrels. Oh, come on, guy. Jiminy crickets. The guns.
Is that you?
That's me. Oh, that's my brakes.
Is that good or bad?
Huh?
Is that bad?
No, it's rubbing against the, whatchamacallit. Probably got dirt got in it. See, right now it's not making any noise. Oh, this is a cabin.
No, we're not.
Yes. Oh, you gotta see this cabin. You gotta see this one. This is the most visited one.
a hornet over there.
That looked like our house.
This?
Yeah. They learned to do a kimchi squat. So that will be a animals. Man, sound of rushing water. And now the left. What do you think? You just I had to do audio dub on that sucker. I think I went just too fast. What do you think? Well, fire hasn't done a lot of damage on this side, which is good.
Sweet home Alabama. I call that on. You can't even swim in here, Dad. It's too shallow.
Well, at least you could lay down on your belly. This is where they mine gold.
Some Chinese guy tried to run me over.
Oh Lord, watch your kids.
Ugh.
Oh, he gotcha. Gotcha. Up there. You should put your butt in a little bit more. Now, if there was a truck, that would have got a problem. Big truck, it would be a problem. It is high as the Skyline Drive, the Oh My God
No.
Road. Remember that?
Yeah. I think you have pants.
Oh, I sure did. Almost bit my pants. Oh, that's a fall. Okay.
To what?
Fall. Waterfall.
No, it's not. Where?
Yes, it is.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Dad, if you got a really good picture or something,
Mm-hmm.
you could send it to National Geographic.
Yeah, you get paid too.
Yeah. Like I get notifications for it, and people get some really good stuff.
The only way that you and I are going to win is just a natural shot. Not, fixing up with the Photoshop and all
Yeah,
that
I know,
stuff.
but then like it has to be good. It can't just
Right.
be like a random tree or whatever. It has to be like compelling.
Yep.
Like there's some stuff where it's like a cheetah chasing.
You've
something.
never seen it before.
Yeah,
Yada, yada, yada.
or like a unique shot. And they got like really good cameras.
I mean, professional cameras compared to mine. Oh, jeez. Not even, mine's like what? 1/3 and 1/4. Not even, someone like 1/10. $10,000-$15,000 for camera.
And they got like that extra stuff too, where they you can take pictures of the sky and stuff.
You could do everything you want. You got filters in it and all.
You gotta have everything.
I gotta learn how to take a picture of a solar eclipse because it's coming soon. August.
Well, you need something. No, wait.
August. There will be.
I know you said it over Tennessee or something.
Yeah, Clarksville. Why is this person always in front of me and go slow?
It says slow right there.
This is just souvenir shopping.
You can get honey.
That's what I'm saying. This is shopping. That's a slang for you. Yuans. Not y'all. Yuans.
Use. What's use from? Where there used to be an old pool. Yeah, I'm gonna drop this. I'll throw it out into the creek.
See, these are burned. Oh my goodness, look. Everything burned that one. Oh, that one too. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Yep. They burned. Oh man, somebody's house. Cabin all burned. Mm-mm-mm.
Dad.
Hold on. Here, give me. Oh man, damages on this side is worse. Look, look,
Yeah, I know.
left and right, all burned to the ground. To the ground, man. To the ground. Oh, this one's spared. This house is spared. That one too.
You suck. Stop all the way.
I did.
Oh, there's just someone over there.
Oh man, look. Oh, man. Yeah, human tour is bad too. 14 people died.